Welcome to the new Scranton Prep app. It will be your one-stop shop for all things prep. Upon first downloading the app, some setup is needed. Please allow notifications when prompted by your system. Press School Calendar, then tap Settings. Select the I icon to have your calendar feed in your app. If you would like to receive push notifications about your calendar updates and changes, select the bell icon as well. Press Save. Now you will see a list of this month's events right in the title. Return to the app's homepage by pressing the arrow in the top left. Press Sports Schedule and again tap Settings. You can customize your feed to display all sports by using the yellow All tab at the top, or you can pick just the individual sports that you are interested in. Under Either for certain sports or under All to see all sports in your feed. Again, if you would like to receive push notifications, you must press the bell icon for those sports. When you have completed this, press Save. Your new sports feed will now display. Other functionalities of our new app include access to the principal's newsletter, faculty directory, contact information, dining hall menu, and much more. They are all easily accessible from the tiles on your homepage or by pressing the three bars on the bottom left to display all options in list view. More information will follow about the student login portion of the app, so please stay tuned.